Hey guys, in today's video, I'm taking a look at this new ergonomic chair called the Autonomous Chair Ultra V2. Let's open up the box, put it together, and see how it looks. Hey guys, so this is the Autonomous A436 Chair Ultra V2. Yeah, let's take a look inside the box here. Already got it open a bit. Also comes with these instructions. Got your wheels, backing of the chair, here's the back of the chair. This is where the wheels go on, and then there's some more accessories here, like the gasket. So here's everything that the chair comes with: wheels, the base, back seat, the chair seat, and the gasket, and the pieces to put it together. And so yeah, let's assemble this together and see how it looks. If you spend long hours at your desk, then you already know the difference a good chair can make. And the Ultra V2 is a full redesign of how support should actually work. The whole back flexes with you, so there's no single pressure point digging into your spine and no settings to get wrong. The first thing that you'll notice is the exoskeleton style frame. It's built like a spine with 62 nodes and 186 struts that move as you move. It's engineered to stay responsive instead of stiff, which is something that most chairs just don't get right. Underneath the seat, it has 4 layers designed to spread out the pressure when seated. And putting the chair together is simple. Most of the pieces come attached already, and so the back chair just slides in like that, and then you just screw them in with all the provided screws. And it only takes a few screws to finish it off. And because the entire chair uses 100% TPE and polyester air mesh, it's up to 5 times more breathable than standard mesh, which makes a huge difference during long sessions. It also has many ways to adjust to your preferences. You get a full 4D armrest that moves up, down, forward, back, and rotates inwards. And the seat depth also slides 2.5 inches from 18 to 20.5 inches. So both shorter and taller users get proper thigh support without circulation issues. The seat height ranges from 18 to 23 inches, which fits most desks between 25 and 32 inches tall, making sure everything stays ergonomic. It can support up to 320 pounds and fits users up to around 6 feet and 4 inches. The exoskeleton back doesn't compress like foam, so it maintains support even under heavier loads. You also get a 25-degree tilt range with adjustable tension, so you can set it to light if you like to rock back and forth, or to firm if you want the chair to hold its position. Either way, the back moves with your weight instead of fighting it. And the chair is perfect for all types from gamers and remote workers. The breathable mesh keeps you cool, and the curved back promotes natural posture. And the overall build quality is designed for long-term comfort. So the Ultra V2 is made for anyone who wants a chair that adapts to them instead of the other way around. If you're tired of fiddling with knobs or dealing with pain after long sessions, then you definitely need to check out the Autonomous Chair Ultra V2 today. And you can see more about it in the link in the description below. See you guys on the next one.